It's your boy Lucrative Seti here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna have an opportunity to show y'all a whole apartment cleanup. This is my first time being able to record the whole video because I took my time out and went to Five and Below and bought a tripod, which one of my partners Ben told me to do, but I didn't listen. But this time I listened. So here we go. As y'all can see, the house is pretty full, but it's not all the way. It's not too crazy. Got a little bit of stuff. We usually just take the stuff, put it all in one room, whichever room we're gonna pull from. We take all the items, bag the small stuff up, and take the bulk items and put them in the living room. And if it's on one level, we'll back the truck all the way up to the apartment door and use the slide door, the back door to, get rid of the stuff to take it outside. And that's kind of what we're going to be doing here on this job. See, it's a couple items outside, table, a bag. And as you can see, we're pulling up to the back. I'm glad my partner not a scary person. Got it's a whole hill right here to the left of him, to the right of him. But he was able to drive straight. We drove right up. The grass wasn't wet, so he was able to get up there nice and smooth. Here you go, right here, getting some bags ready. Now, like I said, the process is to get all the items and put it in one room before we take it out. So you can see these counters and drawers empty. And this is majority of all the bulk stuff right here in the living room. Got a couple glass tables, and a cool little car thing that isn't worth any money anymore because I would have taken and sold it. But yeah, see, a clean room, some broken up blinds, clean closet, clean bathroom. And see, a lot of people, when I'm finished these apartment clean outs, they say, why y'all don't clean the carpet? Y'all leave the carpet dirty. When we finish these, they usually pull the carpet. They usually put in brand new carpet when we finish these. This isn't like, we're not doing it for the person, we're doing it for the company. So here we go, we loading up the stuff right here. Loading up. As you can see, I'm putting the tripod to use. This is how I'm going to be recording a lot of my videos now, so y'all going to see. Had to speed it up a little bit so it wouldn't take up too much time of the video. Still got a pretty lengthy video right here. Usually we separate the metal from the regular stuff, and we probably, pawn the metal in. I said pawn. Wrong word. We usually scrap the metal, but this time it ain't really worth it to scrap the metal, so we just went ahead and put everything on. Yep. Probably got a couple more items left before we go. It's a beautiful day out here, too. When we was working, it probably was about 70 degrees and sunny. We only had one job for the day, so we went ahead and knocked this out. And here we go, loading up the last bit of stuff. This is the whole apartment, fit on one truckload. That's what happened when you break the stuff down. I should have recorded myself breaking the dressers down, but usually if we have anything wooden like dressers or cabinets or things of that nature, we take them and break them down with either a mallet or we just pull them apart. And this is the end result right here. Even though y'all got a glance of it before, now y'all get to see the full apartment, nice and clean and empty. Clean closet. I want to know if anybody else does apartment clean outs on a regular. Anybody else is in the business, you see the living room is clean. If anybody else in the business does apartments on a regular and see how long it usually take them. Because for us, even with only 2 of us, if it's a nice amount of stuff in there, it still take us less than an hour and about 2 truckloads. But there we go. That's the end. No boundaries junk removal.